Rice water, a simple yet potent elixir, has been a cherished beauty secret for centuries. Women in Asia, particularly in Japan and China, have long used rice water to enhance their hair's health and appearance. This tradition, passed down through generations, is rooted in the belief that rice water possesses unique properties that can transform hair, leaving it strong, shiny, and incredibly long. The Yao women of Huangluo Village in China, known for their exceptionally long hair, attribute their lustrous locks to regular rice water rinses. Similarly, Japanese geishas, famed for their exquisite beauty, have incorporated rice water into their hair care routines for centuries. This age-old practice is now gaining global recognition as more and more people discover the remarkable benefits of rice water for hair growth. The magic of rice water lies in its rich nutritional profile. When rice is soaked or fermented, it releases a treasure trove of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are incredibly beneficial for hair health. A key component is an inositol, a carbohydrate that can repair damaged hair and increase elasticity, preventing breakage. Rice water is also a good source of amino acids, the building blocks of protein, which is essential for strong and healthy hair. These amino acids penetrate the hair shaft, strengthening it from within and reducing hair fall. Furthermore, rice water contains vitamins B and E, known to nourish hair follicles, promote hair growth, and add shine to dull and lifeless hair. The starch in rice water acts as a natural conditioner, adding volume and smoothness to hair, making it more manageable and reducing frizz. This makes rice water a fantastic natural alternative to commercial hair care products, many of which are laden with chemicals that can strip the hair of its natural oils and cause damage in the long run. There are two primary methods for preparing rice water: soaking and fermenting. Soaking is the quicker and simpler method. It involves rinsing rice to remove impurities and then soaking it in fresh water for 30 minutes to an hour. The water is then strained and ready to use. Soaked rice water is milder and suitable for sensitive scalps. Fermented rice water, while requiring a bit more time and effort, is believed to be even more potent. To ferment rice water, follow the soaking process, but instead of discarding the water, let it sit at room temperature for 1 to 2 days, allowing it to ferment. Fermentation increases the concentration of beneficial nutrients, particularly antioxidants, making it a supercharged hair treatment. The choice between soaked and fermented rice water depends on individual preferences and hair type. If you're new to rice water, start with the soaking method and observe how your hair responds. You can then experiment with fermented rice water to see if it yields better results for your hair type and concerns. Section 4. How to use rice water. A step-by-step guide. Using rice water on your hair is simple and enjoyable. After shampooing, pour the rice water over your scalp and hair, massaging it in. Ensure it thoroughly coats your hair from root to tip. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Use rice water 1 to 2 times a week for best results. You can also spritz it on as a leave-in conditioner. Add essential oils to mask the scent and enhance aroma. Section 5. What the studies say. Evidence for rice water benefits. Rice water has been used anecdotally for centuries, and scientific research is beginning to validate its traditional use for hair care. A study in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science found that fermented rice water can reduce surface friction and improve hair elasticity. Another study highlighted inositol in rice water, which can penetrate and repair damaged hair. This suggests rice water is beneficial for dry, damaged, or chemically treated hair. Anecdotal evidence also suggests increased hair growth and reduced hair fall with regular use. Individual results may vary, so be patient and consistent with your rice water routine. Section 6. Unlock your hair's potential. Try rice water today. Rice water, an age-old beauty secret backed by tradition and emerging scientific evidence, offers a natural and effective way to enhance your hair's health and appearance. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, rice water can strengthen hair, promote growth, reduce hair fall, and add enviable shine. The best part is that rice water is incredibly easy to prepare and incorporate into your hair care routine. Whether you choose to soak or ferment your rice water, the process is simple and requires minimal ingredients. With regular use, you can unlock your hair's true potential, revealing stronger, healthier, and more beautiful locks. So why not give rice water a try? Embrace this ancient tradition and experience the transformative power of rice water for yourself. You might just discover your new favorite hair care secret, one that leaves your hair looking and feeling its absolute best.